we're going to explain how to resolve command-failed errors when installing ReactNative packages. These frustrating errors often pop up during npm install or yarn add and can stem from various issues. Let's tackle the most common culprits and their solutions. 1. Incorrect package names. Double-check the package name you're trying to install. Typos are surprisingly frequent. Carefully compare your package.json file, if you're adding a dependency, to the actual package name on npm.js.com. Even a small mistake can lead to a command-failed error. 2. Network connectivity problems. A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt the installation process. Ensure you have a stable connection. Try reinstalling the package after restarting your router or switching to a different network. Sometimes a VPN can interfere. Try disabling it temporarily. 3. Node and npm/yarn versions. Outdated or incompatible versions of Node.js, npm, or yarn are major sources of these errors. Check your versions using Node v and npm v or yarn v. Update them to the latest stable releases using a Node version manager like NVM for Mac OS and Linux or FNM for Windows. Consult the official ReactNative documentation for their recommended Node.js version. 4. Permissions issues. Insufficient permissions on your system can prevent package installation. Try running your terminal as administrator or with elevated privileges. On Mac OS Linux, you might need to use sudo npm install, though be cautious with sudo. For Windows, right-click your terminal and select Run as Administrator. 5. Corrupted cache. npm or yarn might have a corrupted cache. Clearing it often resolves these issues. For npm, run npm cache clean or force followed by npm install. For yarn, run yarn cache clean, then yarn install. 6. Proxy settings. If you're behind a corporate proxy, you'll need to configure npm or yarn to use it. Use the npm config set proxy and npm config set https proxy commands to set your proxy settings. Consult your company's IT department for the correct proxy details. 7. Package conflicts. Conflicting dependencies can trigger command-failed errors. Carefully examine your package.json and package.lock.json or yarn lock files. Try to identify any incompatible packages. You might need to update or remove conflicting dependencies. If you're unsure which package is causing problems, you can try deleting your Node modules folder and running npm install or yarn install again. 8. Firewall or antivirus interference. Your firewall or antivirus software might be blocking the installation process. Temporarily disable them, try the installation, and re-enable them afterwards. 9. Insufficient disk space. Make sure you have enough free disk space. Large packages can consume significant storage. Free up space if necessary. 10. Check ReactNative's documentation and community forums. If none of these solutions work, search the official ReactNative documentation and community forums. Someone has likely encountered the same problem, and there might be a specific solution relevant to your error message. Remember to always carefully review the specific error messages you're receiving. They often provide valuable